Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by locking in the essentials: your build, position, and physicals, height and wingspan, because those cap your attribute ceilings. Once done, open the progression menu and scan the attribute tree so you know soft caps and badge prerequisites. Now apply your first points into core stats that match your role: shooting for scorers, playmaking for facilitators, defense for two-way players. This creates immediate on-court impact and leaves room to adapt as you level. Once you hit mid-levels, focus on optimization. Check stats soft caps and diminishing returns so each point matters. Make targeted investments that unlock badge thresholds, because badges amplify attributes much more than raw numbers sometimes. Also, diversify using training and drills to gain temporary boosts and attribute tokens. These let you experiment without committing points permanently. Make sure to reassign points between seasons or via token refunds if you change your playstyle. Finish by consolidating your build. Prioritize maxing 2 core attributes and push supporting stats just to badge thresholds so your player operates smoothly. Before a season reset, reassign any unused attribute tokens and reserve some for meta shifts or patch changes. If you notice poor performance, troubleshoot. Confirm badges are active, equip shoes or gear that grant percent boosts, and verify playing time. Minutes and role affect in-game rate.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.